And winning on YouTube, it starts with your niche. But what does that really mean? Let's break it down. YouTube, a platform bursting with potential. It's a digital metropolis where millions of creators and viewers converge. Millions of viewers are hungry for content, but here's the truth. Not all content is created equal. The sheer volume of videos uploaded every minute is staggering, and standing out requires more than just hitting the record button. To win on YouTube, you need a strategy, you need a niche. A niche is more than just a topic. It's a focused area where you can establish yourself as an authority. Think of your niche as your home turf. It's where your tribe hangs out, your people, the ones who crave your content. These are the viewers who will become your loyal subscribers, your community, your advocates. Without a niche, you're shouting into the void. With a niche, you're laser focused. You're speaking directly to the right audience. Imagine trying to talk to everyone at once in a crowded room versus having a meaningful conversation with a small, engaged group. Finding your niche is the foundation of YouTube success. It's about understanding what you're good at and what people want. It's about aligning your skills, interests, and expertise with the needs and desires of your audience. It's about finding that sweet spot where your passions ignite an audience. When you create content that you're passionate about, it shows. Your enthusiasm becomes contagious, drawing viewers in and keeping them engaged. This isn't about chasing trends, it's about building a sustainable channel, a channel that resonates, a channel that grows. Trends come and go, but a well-defined niche can provide a steady foundation for long-term success. Let's dive into how you can find your winning YouTube niche. We'll explore strategies to identify your unique strengths, research your potential audience, and carve out a space where you can thrive. Whether you're into tech reviews, cooking tutorials, or travel vlogs, there's a niche out there waiting for you. So grab a notebook, get ready to brainstorm, and let's embark on this journey to YouTube success together. Unlock your niche. Passion meets audience. The first step is looking inward. What are you passionate about? What gets you fired up? Your enthusiasm will shine through in your content. Authenticity is magnetic.
Next, think about your skills and expertise. What are you good at? What knowledge do you have to share? Your niche should play to your strengths. Now it's time to consider your audience. Who are you trying to reach? What are their interests and needs? Research your target audience. Use tools like Google Trends and social media analytics. Understand their demographics, interests, and online behavior. Finally, analyze your competition. Who else is creating content in your potential niche? What are they doing well? What could they be doing better? This is about identifying opportunities, find gaps in the market, discover what you can bring to the table that's fresh and unique.
Validate your niche. Data doesn't lie. You've got a few niche ideas. Great. But having ideas is just the beginning. The real challenge lies in determining which of these ideas have the potential to succeed. Now it's time to validate them. Validation is crucial because it helps you avoid investing time and resources into ideas that might not work. Don't rely on gut feeling alone. Data is your friend. It provides objective insights that can guide your decisions and help you understand the market better.
Google Trends is your secret weapon. It's a powerful tool that can reveal the popularity of your niche ideas over time. It shows you the search volume for different keywords and topics over time. This can help you identify trends and see if interest in your niche is growing or declining. Is your niche idea steadily growing in popularity? A growing trend indicates a rising interest, which could mean a larger potential audience. Or is it fading fast? A declining trend might suggest that the niche is losing interest and it might not be worth pursuing. This information is crucial for making informed decisions. It helps you understand the market dynamics and adjust your strategy accordingly.
Keyword research is another essential tool. It helps you discover what people are searching for and how competitive those keywords are. Use tools like SEMrush or Ahrefs to identify relevant keywords with high search volume and low competition. This can give you an edge in reaching your target audience. This helps you understand what your target audience is searching for. Knowing this can guide your content creation and marketing efforts. Social media is your listening post. It's a treasure trove of real-time information about what people are interested in and talking about. Monitor conversations, hashtags, and groups related to your niche. This can provide insights into current trends and popular topics. What are people talking about? Understanding the conversations around your niche can help you create content that resonates with your audience. What are their pain points? Identifying common problems and challenges can help you create solutions that your audience is looking for. Use this information to refine your content strategy. Tailoring your content to address the needs and interests of your audience can increase engagement and loyalty. Finally, pay attention to engagement metrics and feedback. These metrics can provide valuable insights into how your content is performing. Are people watching your videos? High view counts and watch times indicate that your content is engaging and relevant. Are they commenting, liking, and subscribing? These interactions show that your audience is not only consuming your content, but also engaging with it. These are all indicators of whether your niche is resonating with your target audience. By continuously monitoring and analyzing these metrics, you can refine your strategy and ensure that you are meeting the needs of your audience.
Section 4. Conquer your niche. Be different, be consistent. You found your niche and validated it. Now, it's time to dominate, but here's the catch. You need to stand out.
Content is king. Create high-quality, engaging videos that provide value to your audience. Don't be afraid to experiment with different formats and styles. Find what works best for you and your niche.
Consistency is key. Establish a regular upload schedule and stick to it. This keeps your audience engaged and coming back for more.
Branding matters. Develop a strong brand identity that reflects your niche and personality. This includes your channel name, logo, colors, and overall aesthetic.
Engage with your community. Respond to comments, answer questions, and participate in discussions. Building relationships with your viewers is crucial for building a loyal following. Section 5. Evolve or fade. Stay ahead of the curve. In the fast-paced world of YouTube, standing still is not an option. You must constantly evolve to stay relevant. The YouTube landscape is constantly changing. New trends emerge, algorithms shift, and viewer preferences evolve. It's a dynamic environment where adaptability is key. What's popular today might be old news tomorrow. The viral video that everyone is talking about now could be forgotten in a week. This rapid change means that creators need to be on their toes, always ready to pivot and adjust. To stay ahead of the curve, you need to be adaptable. This means not only keeping an eye on current trends, but also anticipating future ones. It's about being proactive rather than reactive. You need to be willing to change your content, your style, and even your branding to meet the evolving demands of your audience. Flexibility is your greatest asset in this ever-changing landscape.
Keep learning and growing. The moment you stop learning is the moment you start falling behind. Invest time in improving your skills, whether it's through online tutorials, workshops, or industry events. Stay up to date on the latest trends in your niche. Attend industry events, read books and articles, and connect with other creators. Networking can provide valuable insights and opportunities for collaboration. Engaging with other creators can spark new ideas and help you stay motivated. Collaboration can also introduce your channel to new audiences, expanding your reach.
Don't be afraid to experiment. Try new things, even if you're not sure they'll work. Innovation often comes from taking risks and stepping out of your comfort zone. Experimenting with different content formats, styles, and topics can lead to unexpected success. It's all about finding what resonates with your audience. The only way to fail is to stop trying. Persistence is crucial. Every setback is an opportunity to learn and grow. Keep pushing forward, even when things get tough.
Listen to your audience. They are your greatest resource. Pay attention to their feedback and use it to improve your content. Engaging with your viewers builds a loyal community. Pay attention to their feedback and adapt your content accordingly. Constructive criticism can be incredibly valuable, helping you to refine your approach and better meet your audience's needs. They will tell you what they want, so listen closely. Responding to comments and making changes based on viewer suggestions shows that you value their input. This not only improves your content but also strengthens the bond between you and your audience. They will appreciate your efforts to cater to their preferences.
Building a successful YouTube channel takes time and effort. It's a marathon, not a sprint. Consistency and dedication are key. There's no such thing as overnight success. Be patient, persistent, and keep working towards your goals. Every video you create is a step forward. Never give up on your dreams. The journey may be challenging, but the rewards are worth it. Stay motivated and keep pushing through the obstacles.
The power of niche marketing on YouTube is undeniable. Focusing on a specific niche allows you to connect with a highly targeted audience who are passionate about the same things you are. It allows you to build a loyal following, as viewers who share your interests are more likely to engage with your content and become dedicated fans. Ultimately, this can help you achieve your goals, whether it's growing your subscriber base, increasing your views, or even turning your channel into a full-time career.
So go out there, find your niche. Take the time to research and understand what makes your niche unique and how you can add value to it. Start creating content that matters. Your audience is waiting. They are looking for content that speaks to them, that entertains, educates, and inspires. Be the creator who delivers that.